Paper production is a major part of economic and global life. The ability for us to produce paper in factories allows us to document and save information for many different uses. Major uses being books, documentaries, diplomas, school, and business work. But although it has very many uses, it's being overran by the internet and computer communication. But besides that point, it still has very many uses. Although it still has very bad effects on both populations and environment, more than aids us. The production of paper makes it more necessary for us to have to cut down more trees. About 40% of all trees that are cut down are used for the making of paper. Along with deforestation, we have to put up more factories for all the sorts of things. But we also have to put up more factories for the sole use of making paper, which affects the environment poorly and also causes health issues with both toxic runoff and air pollution. Along with these, it also costs us fossil fuels to transport the raw wood and produced material. In addition to the carbon emissions, which paper production is already the fourth largest contributor in greenhouse emissions. Paper also accounts for 25% or even one-third of all the waste in landfills, causing a major issue in our environment because even though it can biodegrade quickly, it is a very big waste of lumber, which causes us to need to do more deforestation. But some of the benefits of the selling of paper, it has also helped the population around it spread information if they don't have access to the technology that most first world countries do. It can also help them increase income if in any way if their job involves the use of paper and selling it, or even using it to increase their own business. In the past, paper was a very major contributor to global information sharing, but there are more cons to the production of paper than benefits. With the production of paper, first we use many fossil fuels in the form of gas for vehicles or for the use of tools. In vehicles to get the logs from the forest to the factories, where they are then processed using more fuel and water to turn the logs into a pulp, which is then, after a long time, formed into paper ready to be shipped out and sold across the globe from many companies for the use of studying and other global information sharing.